aboard our rainbow train, where every brushstroke breaks the chain. Dip your dreams in purple skies, orange laughter, sparkling eyes, green adventures, blue sky cheers, red balloons that quell all fears. Twirl the magic on your screen, slide through swirls of tangerine, sing along with friendly bees, dance with pastel-hued butterflies on breeze. We're the crew of curious hearts, where every episode's a fresh new start. Kaleidoscope of fun and play, Palette Playhouse lights the way. Catch the giggles, chase the fun, watch our colors load and run. Come along